First, open up the search menu and type in WS Reset. Select the best match, and when it appears, open it up. Close out of that window, then open the search menu again and type in Settings. Click on the best match that appears and open the Settings window. Once there, select Apps on the left panel. Then on the right side, select Installed Apps. Type in Xbox and find the main Xbox application. Click the three-dot icon next to it, and then select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. If the app isn't working properly, you can try repairing it. Select Repair, and your app data won't be affected. If you're still having issues, select the second option, Reset, where the app's data will be deleted, including preferences and sign-in details. Click Reset to confirm. If you're still facing issues, click the back arrow at the top and search for Xbox again. Under Xbox Live, repeat the same steps you just did. First, repair the app, and if necessary, reset it again. Next, close this window and open the search menu. Type in Services and select the best match. This will open up the Services window. Scroll down and search for Xbox Gaming Service. Look for Xbox Accessory Management and start that service, setting it to Automatic. Do the same for all the Xbox services listed, setting them to Automatic and ensuring they are running. Apply the changes and click OK. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.